All right.
Imagine if The Matrix wasn't just a movie, but a reality where AI models are as smart as they come, and they're open for everyone. Well, that's kind of what DeepSeek R1 is shaping up to be. This new model is not only performing at mind-blowing levels, but is also free for everyone to access. Also, it has scored a 79.8% on the AIME 2024 math competition, putting it right up there with the best AI systems around.
That sounds interesting.
Right? Let's take a closer look. What makes DeepSeek R1 stand out? First things first, DeepSeek R1 is definitely shaking things up. It's not just another competitor to OpenAI's models. Oh no, this one is right up there competing with the best of the best. How exactly does it stack up, you ask? Let's talk numbers. DeepSeek R1 is hitting impressive benchmarks across the board. For example, in the AIME 2024 mathematics tests, DeepSeek R1 scored a solid 79.8%, while also achieving an outstanding 93% accuracy on the Math 500 dataset. That's no small feat when you compare it to some of the top AI models in the field. DeepSeek R1 isn't locked behind some expensive paywall. You can access it for free. In a world where AI models like OpenAI's GPT-4 can cost a fortune, this is a huge deal. And the best part? It's not just affordable, it's about 90 to 95% cheaper than OpenAI's models. Imagine getting high-quality performance for a fraction of the cost. If you're a developer or a researcher working on a budget, this is your golden ticket. It's breaking down barriers and giving more people access to cutting-edge AI. The excitement surrounding DeepSeek R1 is huge, with several notable tweets surfacing that highlight the model's unique capabilities. One user, Odin Free, tweeted, "DeepSeek R1's thought process is funny to read, and so impressive," expressing amusement and admiration for the model's reasoning process. Many users are finding the AI's reasoning style not only effective, but engaging, sparking conversations about how it performs tasks with a touch of personality. Others, like Andre, are diving in to explore DeepSeek R1 firsthand. Andre tweeted, "Trying out the famous DeepSeek R1 reasoning LLM locally," offering a glimpse into how users are experimenting with the model's functionality in their own environments. This hands-on approach is allowing individuals to experience the power of DeepSeek R1 up close, fueling further curiosity and excitement about its capabilities. These tweets reflect the growing enthusiasm within the tech community for DeepSeek R1. Its innovative reasoning abilities, coupled with its open-source nature, have made it a popular topic of conversation among AI enthusiasts. As more people engage with the model, it's clear that DeepSeek R1 is quickly becoming a standout in the world of artificial intelligence. So, what's the magic behind DeepSeek R1? It's not just about performance, it's about how it works. DeepSeek R1 stands out because it's open source, and that's a big deal. Unlike many AI models that are a black box, DeepSeek R1 gives you the transparency you need. You can actually dive into the model and see how it's reasoning through problems. Researchers and developers can study the algorithm, build upon it, and improve it. This openness makes a huge difference. It's like getting a glimpse into the brain of the AI and understanding how it comes up with its answers. Plus, this open source approach means that anyone with the right skills can create new applications and improvements, whether you're in academia, a small startup, or just an AI enthusiast looking to experiment. Now, why is this important? Think about it. If AI is going to be truly accessible, we need to break away from the idea of AI models being private and closed off. DeepSeek R1 is giving people a chance to get involved without keeping anything hidden. It's the beginning of AI becoming more democratic, giving anyone the opportunity to play with and improve the technology. Alright, let's dive into something a little more technical: model distillation. You've probably heard the term floating around the AI community. So, what's it all about? Essentially, model distillation is the process of taking a big, powerful AI model and shrinking it down into a smaller one, without losing too much performance. Now, here's where DeepSeek R1 gets super impressive. It uses this distillation process, and it's knocking it out of the park with smaller models that still perform at a high level. For example, The distilled version of DeepSeek R1, which uses only 70 billion parameters, is able to perform comparably to larger models. That's an incredible achievement when you consider how much smaller it is. Why does it matter? Well, distillation makes the AI much more efficient. It allows DeepSeek R1 to perform well without needing massive amounts of resources. It's like getting all the power of a big AI model in a smaller, cheaper version. You can do more with less. Who doesn't love that? DeepSeek R1's distilled models are actually outperforming some of the larger models in certain tasks. Take a look at benchmarks like General Language Understanding Evaluation or the multitask learning tests. DeepSeek R1's smaller models are giving some of the larger, more complex models a run for their money. So it's not just about size, it's about how smart these models can be. Now we're getting into the really cool stuff. Emergent behavior. This is where DeepSeek R1 starts to show off some serious reasoning skills. So what exactly is emergent behavior? It's when AI starts to come up with new strategies and solutions that weren't explicitly programmed. In other words, the AI starts thinking on its own, spontaneously. DeepSeek R1 is designed to think for longer periods of time. The more time it spends thinking, the more sophisticated its reasoning becomes. This results in behaviors that seem very human-like. For example, in one test, DeepSeek R1 was asked to solve a complex math problem. Instead of just crunching numbers, it reflected on the problem, thought about different approaches, and then had an aha moment, realizing a better way to solve it. It's not something you typically see in AI models, and it's a major breakthrough. The fact that it can reflect, reevaluate, and come up with alternative solutions shows how far AI is evolving. DeepSeek R1 isn't just blindly following instructions, it's reasoning like a human. This type of emergent behavior is something we haven't seen in many AI models before, and it opens the door to a future where AI can solve problems in ways we never imagined. Why does all of this matter? Well, DeepSeek R1 isn't just about showing off cool tech. It has real-world implications. The model's ability to reason critically, reflect on problems, and come up with creative solutions makes it a powerful tool for various industries. Take education, for example. DeepSeek R1 can enhance tutoring systems, providing personalized help to students and adjusting to their individual needs. In software development, it can assist with coding, automating tasks like debugging and error checking. In research, it can help scientists tackle complex problems by offering intelligent solutions and new perspectives. Also, DeepSeek R1's performance and affordability are what really set it apart. It's making advanced AI capabilities accessible to a wider audience, especially for those who might have been priced out of the market before. Whether you're a researcher working on a shoestring budget or a developer looking for an affordable AI tool, DeepSeek R1 is leveling the playing field. Is open source AI the future? The open source aspect of DeepSeek R1 is actually changing the way we think about AI. Up until now, the best AI models have been kept behind closed doors, with companies like OpenAI holding the keys. But DeepSeek R1 is offering its power to everyone, for free. This is a huge deal because it means that more people, especially researchers, developers, and even educators, can get involved in AI development. The open source nature of DeepSeek R1 also means it's a platform for collaboration. Anyone can improve the model, build upon it, and create new applications. This could lead to innovations we can't even predict yet. And as more models follow this open source trend, the AI landscape is going to change dramatically. To sum it up, DeepSeek R1 is a powerhouse in the world of AI. With impressive performance, affordability, and groundbreaking features like distillation and emergent behavior, it's setting new standards for the industry. Plus, its open source nature makes it accessible to anyone with the right skills. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or just someone interested in AI, DeepSeek R1 is a model you don't want to miss. This could very well be the start of a new era in AI, one that's more inclusive, more affordable, and more innovative. So, if you haven't checked it out yet, what are you waiting for? DeepSeek R1 is here, and it's ready to make some serious waves. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.